Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This is part 2 of our brioche buns video. Let's continue and finish baking these soft and fluffy buns. How to make brioche buns without getting overwhelmed. Brioche dough can feel sticky, and that often throws new bakers off. However, sticky does not mean wrong. In fact, that softer dough is part of what gives brioche its tender texture. The process is simple once you break it into stages. First comes mixing, then kneading, then rising, shaping, rising again, and baking. None of those steps is hard on its own. The real secret is patience. A simple step-by-step method that works for most home bakers. Mix the dough with flour, yeast, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, and softened butter. The dough will look shaggy at first. Knead until smooth. This can take time, especially by hand. At the end, the dough should feel elastic and slightly tacky. Let it rise in a covered bowl until doubled. A warm kitchen helps, but time matters more than heat. Divide and shape the dough into even balls. Pull the surface tight underneath so each bun stays round. Proof again on a lined tray until puffed. They should look fuller and a little jiggly. Brush with egg wash for shine and color. Bake until golden brown, then cool before slicing. Sticky dough is normal. Adding too much extra flour is the faster way to lose that soft brioche texture. Common mistakes that can ruin the texture. Too much flour is the biggest one. If the dough feels sticky, many people keep adding flour until it turns stiff. Then the buns bake up dry. Lightly oiling your hands often helps more. Underproofing also causes trouble. If the dough has not risen enough, the buns stay tight and heavy. Give them time, especially during the second rise. Butter can also cause issues if added too fast. Mix it in gradually so the dough can absorb it well. Finally, do not overbake. Brioche goes from golden to dry faster than many home bakers expect. Easy tips for better brioche buns every time. Good brioche buns come from small details. A little more care while shaping, topping, and cooling can change the final result a lot. The buns will look smoother, brown more evenly, and keep their soft texture longer. How to shape, top, and bake for a smooth golden finish. Start by weighing the dough pieces if you can. Even portions bake at the same rate and look better on the tray. Then shape each piece tightly, with the seam tucked underneath. That tension helps create a smooth top instead of a wrinkled one. For toppings, keep it simple. Sesame seeds work well, and everything seasoning adds more punch. If you want the classic bakery look, use a full egg wash just before baking. That is what gives brioche buns their glossy finish and rich color. After baking, let them cool on a rack. If they sit too long on a hot pan, the bottoms can get firm. The best ways to store, freeze, and serve brioche buns. Fresh brioche buns are best the day they are baked, but they usually stay soft for about 2 days in an airtight container. For longer storage, freeze them as soon as they cool. Slice them first if you want faster sandwich prep later. To thaw, leave them at room temperature or warm them gently in the oven. A quick toast also brings back some of that fresh baked feel. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.